everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about fuel, mainly topping off your fuels. So let's dive right into this one here. Everyone, when I say fuel, most people think gasoline or diesel. Well, yeah, gasoline, diesel. Make sure you have to keep your vehicles at least halfway full all the time. As you get down to halfway mark, stop it at the gas station and fuel it up. If you have jerry cans or the plastic cans, whatever you want to call it, for fuel, make sure they're full. If you're in an area that freezes, you may want to add a little bit of winter treatment to your fuels. Now, what other fuels are there as well? Well, let's see. Propane, butane, isobutane propane, wood, white gas, kerosene, lamp oil. If it burns, it's a fuel. So make sure you have plenty of whatever fuels you need. And you get going to be, some of you are probably going, oh, gee, damn, I forgot about that. Exactly. That's why I'm putting this out there to help you guys remember. So go through, check all your preps, look for all the different types of fuel you have. Make sure you have plenty to get you through the winter and beyond. And so take care of it. Get it the fuel. If it needs a stabilizer in it for the wintertime, add a stabilizer to it. And I will see you next time. But in the meantime, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps, water and food specifically, but don't forget everything else like fuels, because you don't want to end up here.